I'm Anil Kumar, almost at the end of our series on finding derivatives from table of values. We have question number 9. Treat question number 9 as your test question. I have combined the functions which we have discussed earlier to create this question, and question number 10, which will be the last video for you, will not be really created. You can make your own question based on your learnings from these 9 videos, right? The question here is, differentiable function f and g have the values shown in the table. X values 1 to 4, function f its derivative, function g its derivative. Question 9 is, if m is equals to g of x whole square plus square root of f of x, then find m prime 3. 4 choices are given to you. So let's do as we did earlier. We have m, this function is a function of x. Let me write this, it helps. G of x whole square plus square root of f of x, right? Derivative of this function will be power rule 2 times g of x times the derivative of inside function, which is g prime x. Now for square root, we'll have, this is like to the power of half, will be minus 1, right? So it is 1 over 2 square root of f of x times f prime x, right? So that is the derivative. Now we need to find 3, right? At x equals to 3, we could write this as 2 g of 3 times g prime of 3 plus 1 over 2 square root f of 3 times derivative of f at 3. Now you can read these values. So we are looking at x equals to 3 in all these cases. So we are interested in this particular line. So 2 times g of 3 is 5, g dash of 3 is 2, right? Plus 1 over 2 square root of f of 3. f of 3 is 4. f prime of 3 is 2. Now that gives you 10 times 2, 20. So this is equal to, let me write here, right? 20 plus this 2 and 2 cancels, 1 over 2, right? 1 over 2. So that gives you the value as 20.5, right? So that is 20.5. I'm sorry, I did not include that in my answer. So let me write down option E, which is 20.5. So that becomes the answer for this particular question, right? So E, 20.5. I just created this question and unfortunately did not give you the right answer. Anyway, so that is how you are going to calculate the values. This is the way to do it. I hope this series have been interesting for you. You can create your own questions and practice. It is a very useful exercise. You can share my videos and subscribe to them. Thank you and all the best.